10 real estate myths debunked. Hi, I'm Mike Bolger, and I've been helping people navigate the real estate market for over a decade. Today, we're busting 10 of the biggest real estate myths that might be holding you back from making a confident decision. Let's separate fact from fiction. Here's 10 myths that I feel will really help your home buying and selling experience.
Golden baby, get me high, touching me like lightning, yeah. Keeping it exciting. You know exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed, got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moonlight, take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. This bed is out of space, just keep painting constellations. You cover me in glitter.
Now that we've debunked these common myths, you're one step closer to making informed real estate decisions. If you have any questions or you're ready to buy or sell, I'm here to help. Let's make a real estate journey a success. Click or call anytime on mikebolger.ca or direct at 519-616-2656 to start your real estate journey today. Thanks once again for joining me. My name is Mike Bolger with Chestnut Park West, Waterloo.